This is the new Kobalt XTR, and I don't think anybody's done a unboxing on this yet or a review or whatever, but I just got it at Lowe's. It's pretty nice. I haven't seen it at any of the other Lowe's. There's only one Lowe's that has this 24 volt brushless 1/4 inch impact driver kit. This is the impact gun. So this is a freaking cool ass box. Shit. No logo on the back. Kobalt little things. That's nice. Instructions. Got a nice little carrying case. I love that shit. That's pretty cool. The charger fits in there nice and secure. Has room for the cord right there. The battery. This is the new 4 amp hour battery. It feels lighter than that 2 amp, or about as heavy as the 2 amp hour battery. Here's the drill itself. It's freaking nice. I love blue. Blue and black. It looks really nice. I even think it's smaller, man. Smaller. I got the light down here now. And yeah. I don't know, I just opened this thing. I don't know what kind of features it has. Looks like it has a rubber grip down on the battery pack, so it doesn't even slip, which is pretty cool. You got that same belt clip. Let's see if it's I don't know what this is called. Can you move, buddy? So yeah, you have to manually put it in. I was hoping for that automatic one, but you gotta manually put it in. It's got that same lag as that other original Kobalt. So overall, it's pretty nice. I don't know. I'm gonna be using it every day. I'm a tradesman. I do acoustical ceiling grid, so yeah, I'm gonna be using it every day. Hopefully, I had the previous generation before this one, and yeah, I liked it, but I wanted this newer one because it just, I mean, look at it. It looks fucking sick. So yeah, you got the assists. I don't know what this is all about. It has assist settings 1, 2, and 3 right there. And you got the battery gauge. It needs to be charged. But yeah, I like it. Alright, just wanted to do a review because I haven't seen anybody with this one yet. I've seen a video with the Sawzall, and that's it. So yeah, there it is.
Like and subscribe.
All right.
Nailed it.